I will play in the game of the year, the fucking piece of shit Flappy Bird. Let's play. I lie. Before we start play, I must say something to you about my English. Here you go. This is my English level. Yes, I suck. I know. It was suck. Okay, then play. Ah, this game is so cool. These graphics. Please fly. Oh no! Why? Why you do this to me, you fucking bird? Stupid bird. I call you John. Yes, John is a good name. Okay, John. Then will we go? I play a game. Oh, why you hit this fucking pipe, John? I don't love you anymore. Play, John. John, play. John, no! John, why only 1 point? You're disappointing me and everybody on the world, you fucking piece of shit! Shit! You have done only 1 more chance or I will kill you. Yeah. Look at this. Oh! No, why, John? Why? Okay, let's try to have 2 points. Look at his very nice ass. This bird. Oh, John, your ass is so fucking amazing. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh yeah.
We'll play Flappy Bird, but why? If you don't know how to use language, you can use this this very nice and beautiful program. Here you go. I will write in my language. I like pie, and we will show what Google want to tell for me. I like pie. What is this? I don't write this. No, you lie. I know the guy. No. Let's play more Flappy Birds. Flappy Birds. You are fucking piece of shit, Flappy Birds. Flapper, why are you so flapper? I get 2 points! Oh my god! So hardcore! Better than you! Because I'm very sexy man. Yes, John, you are too sexy, but not sexy looking like me. What to tell? You are sexiest than me? No, this is impossible! I am the sexiest man on the world! You can't be sexy like me! Like me! I'm so better sexy than you!
Oh yeah!
Like me!
Oh yeah!
Very good points, because we need very many points. No, John, No, why, Johnny, why? Why? One more time, Johnny, okay? One more time. Johnny. Johnny! No! Johnny, why? Why you almost died, Johnny? Why? I always love you, Johnny. Johnny, why, Johnny, why? Why you must die, Johnny? Everybody is sad now. Oh, stop it, Johnny. Johnny, you are alive! I am so happy now!
Flappy bird! Flappy!